Good morning, good morning. Yay, I'm live on YouTube as well. Let's go. Morning, guys. Yay, I'm back outside. How are we doing? Yo, cool Tom. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime getting us started for the day. How do I have 8 subs already? I just started. Have people been offline subbing? Morning. Morning, morning. Morning, YouTube. I finally figured it out. I know what I have to do now, and that's reset the URL every time. But good morning. I always wanted to know what went on with this guy after seeing his video. After that video, I think after the stream that day, I went inside, looked in the fridge for about 5 minutes, didn't grab anything. Then I went for a number two, and did my thing, had my post shit tranquility, and kicked back and watched TV. Yeah. Yo, Nightmares, thank you very much for the T1. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are we? Hello, guys. What is the time around the world for everyone? It is currently, for me, 9:43 in the morning. What have I been doing since I've been away? I've been carving some pit vipers. Yeah. Bit big, but yeah. Yeah, I see 3 of the subs. What happened offline? Yeah, I must have had some offline appreciators last night. Damn, thank you for that. Then we got a hype train going. Also, last stream we did, we got a level 6 hype train, and we finally unlocked the grittying duck. Finally got a big homie with the shades. Yeah. So funny thing, this is due on Monday. I've got to finish these and put them on a base, and yeah. So I'll be there'll probably be weekend carving streams, chat. But yeah, we'll do a bit of this today. I want to do a bit of my uncle's commission. So to those that haven't seen, we have been doing a commission on behalf of my uncle, my late uncle, who taught me how to carve. Unfortunately, didn't get to finish it, so they were given to, the next best thing, which his students, aka me. And this is what we've been doing. So if you haven't seen, these are called hoi. Hoi is a paddle. These aren't really used for that specific purpose, but these are them here. So this is my uncle's one, and this is my one here. So you can see. Keeping it relatively simple. I don't really like to do this shape of paddle, but because my uncle did it, I'll do it anyway. And yeah, I just want to do him proud, pretty much. So trying to keep like the simplicity like his one too. You can see that there's only like one face. Yeah, I tried to do one face, but I ended up with like 3, pretty much. These will be decorative, not for actual use. But yeah, I was supposed to make me a coffee. I don't want to go inside because I'm already live. But yeah, this is what I'll be doing. So I try to keep it simple, but I ended up doing like 3 faces. So if you cover, how do I do this? If you cover like the nose there, the middle nose, the main one, there's one nose there, and the eyes, so that's the face from the side profile. That's the face from the full on, like the full on front, and then the other one on the side. So I ended up doing like 3 faces in one. It's a form that I've done before, but I just thought it would look pretty cool. What am I missing? Yeah, I just thought it would look pretty cool. That's why I did it. Alright. One moment. I don't know what I did with the tripod for the phone, so no TikTok stream. Oh, sorry, chat. Alright, let's not muck around here. But how have you been? Sorry I haven't been live for the last 2 days. More on YouTube. My daughter had a school play, and I'm just one of those dads that likes to be at everything. That's why I wasn't around. Well, good morning once again, everybody. Where are you located? In Aotearoa, New Zealand. Remember, we are still doing the charity stream till the end of the month as well. So this is what we've been up to here. So we rough molded this side. So this face is called a Ruru as well. R-U-R-U. Hashtag not a Hunger Games Easter egg. But this is what we've been up to as of late. And you've just been pushing. How about you, YouTube? How have you guys been? Sorry I haven't been live lately. But good to be back now. What are you designing, sir? This Ruru, this face. So we just finished rough molding this side. We're doing this side now. So that's our movements for the day, pretty much. So I'll spend a bit of time on this, and then I'll change over to these glasses that I have to carve. Thank you very much to A. John Knops for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, brother. Hello there. How do I say that? US guy? Did I say that right? Thank you, brother Jay. Very cool. Hey, thanks, brother Noah. Yeah, so this is what we'll be up to. And we'll try and smash a lot of it out today. Hopefully. I assume there's gonna be a bit of talking today. You know me, Chad, I like to have a bit of a conversation along the way. I wanna kiss you alone. I don't know what I did with my tripod shit for my phone. So I can pump up the TikTok. Also, it's still cold here. Yeah, so this timber is relatively soft as well. What did Linky? Kia ora. Brought by Popeye? What, Popeye's chicken? I still haven't tried that either. From what I've been told, KFC is still better here. Yo, YouTube, are we? I don't understand. Uh-oh. Are we still live? I just disconnected for a bit there. Are we still live? My net just dropped. Are we okay? Anyone can confirm? My net just dropped out there. Are we okay? Let us know. Okay, maybe I'll just check for myself. Are we back, guys? Missed it. Love your vibes, you can see it. Hey, appreciate that, brother. If it's a bit too quiet and you need some background ambience, let me know. I will play some nice, safe, non-copyrighted beats. The only thing I know how to carve is soap. Okay. I don't think I've ever done that, eh? I think the easiest thing I've ever carved material-wise is styrofoam. I've been playing on your arm tonight. Your work is amazing. Appreciate the aroha. I might just play some background things, eh? So we'll be good. But how are you, Soddy? You're up late. If you're watching at silly o'clock for me, please consider getting a good night's rest, eh? Because it helps. Hey, what's up, Young Mafia? Hey, thank you very much, Alarix, for the biddies. Tēnā, tēnā. Sorry, I'm gonna play the song. No, it's only 6 PM. Oh shit, I thought it was like silly o'clock. Is it normally around the nights? Yeah, it must be, eh? Alright guys, what I'm doing right now is molding the nose. As you can see, this nose is slowly sculpted into the definitive shape that we need. Oh, brother JT, thank you for the 49 months, my bro. Absolute weapon of a man right there. Go the Cubs. I'm officially going for the Cubs, my bro. Need some positive vibes, been down lately. Hey, just come and chill with us, brother. If you want to talk about it, feel free to, hey. It's best to talk about it, not all bottle it in. Some homework? Man, I wake up at 2 AM for cutie Nash. Oh shit, okay. Haka. Yeah, well, the Mogs is, haven't bumped into Ruru lately. Been pumping out some stuff for myself. Lots of love from Queenstown. Hey, I'm coming to Queenstown in July. What do you recommend, food-wise? It's raining over here, bro. It was full-on raining yesterday. You need a Cubs hat. I may have already ordered one. It's got hunting and fishing camo print on it. Get up the Cubs. Yo, brother Team Yosh, thank you very much for the 500 biddies, my bro. And Red Daddy coming in with the 33 months. Haven't caught a stream in ages. Much love, Brock's Chef, aren't I? Appreciate you a lot there, Red Daddy. Thoughts on Sassy? Who's that? Is that a lady? I'm not too familiar with any sassies in my life, not gonna lie. Appreciate it, bro. Pray for me and get a job soon. Oh, you're from Kuala Lumpur, brother. Not pray, you will. You will achieve a job, brother. Manifest it, my bro. You got it. Oh yeah. Denzai, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, the Sasquatch. I'll be honest, I don't know much Sasquatches either. Other than my uncle who has a lot of back hair. But yeah. I'm just streaming on YouTube too. Oh, CrossChat just figured out how to dual stream, brother. Rock Chicago trip. Bro, I'd love to go to a Cubs game, eh? Bucket list, my bro. Bucket list. Oh. So we'll do this for a little bit. We'll mold the side of the face, do a slight cleanup, and then eventually we'll move into these glasses. Pretty rad, you got the dual streaming making, bro. I'm that guy, brother. I can tell you a million things about timber, but when it comes to talking computer, I'm losing that hill. I'm losing that race, my brother. That is a hill I will not climb. That's why I always ask people that speak computer to help me. So I always ask my cousin, hey, you're a point Dexter, hey, what's this? He goes, you should know about computers by now, you stream from one. Yeah, I just push live there, that's all I need to do. And Control Alt Delete for Task Manager. The only technicality for me is turning on WoW. Yeah, what's up, Dead Killer? Tassie is a character on a show that started as the Big Les show. Well, that sounds a bit kinky. It's made by an Aussie that makes it on... Oh, really? The Big Les show. That sounds a bit kinky. Can you even watch that? That don't make any sense. What's up, Haunted Bean? From Queenstown Food, I recommend Smith's for burgers. Ferg is good, but not worth line. Yeah, I've heard it's like overhyped as well. It might be you know, I don't really know too much, but yeah, we're going there for our honeymoon. Me and my wife. I will be sharing a few photos with the stream too, chat. Not all of them. It'll be ones more of showing myself and, you know, not showing my wife. There'll be a few photos of my wife, but you know how I love my privacy, chat. Privacy is power. Just, you know, I'll show me and my groomsmen. That's all good. But here we finally got all our wedding photos last night in the mail. It was cool. It's just me and my wife and my sister-in-law looking at the photos and drinking wine. Wine is absolutely disgusting, man. Not for me. Not for me. I was like, fine, you just drink this crap. Always restart, yeah, brother. Do you sell these woodworks? I do. I have like a commission list. At the moment, I'm not taking any on until I finish these. So this is a commission, if you're just joining the stream too, brother. So my uncle who taught me how to carve unfortunately passed away a couple weeks back. And the commissions he was doing at the time, obviously can't do them anymore. So it fell to me to finish off these ones pretty much. Hey, what's up, social? Yeah, I've been good, man. Been good. This last 2 days were hella busy, hella busy. Hey, thank you very much, Sam Terra, as well for the Optimus Prime. I apologize for not acknowledging that faster. Thank you, thank you. I don't know where I put my tripod for my phone. Fire up the TikTok as well. But yeah, can't find a tripod, so maybe for the last 30 minutes we'll fire it up, eh? I'm so glad you're still streaming. I found an old video of you on TikTok and came straight over. Oh, cheers, man. Yeah, I noticed the large influx on my TikTok channel. Like, huh? And I believe a page posted that video, so thank you very much for that video again, connecting me with a lot more people too. But I hope if, you guys have been all good, eh? Like, no matter what you guys do in life, I've also been thinking about joining or trying to start playing D&D. I'm pretty keen to give it a go, eh? Hey, what's up, Chaotic Games? How are you? And Crocs and Socks Wired. This is the ultimate comfort safety shoe. Huh? Look, I got Sonic gibbets. Oh, Knuckles fell off. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Knuckles fell off. Gotta click him back in. I stopped wearing jandals, aka thongs, aka flip flops, about 2 years ago. Best decision I ever made in my life. I used to carve in jandals in socks. Are they in sports mode? Hell yeah, brother. Holy socks and all. Are those Twitch ones? No, I just got Sonic. Are they even Twitch ones? I don't even know. Probably. Toes now covered, 10 out of 10 safety. Hell yeah, brother. I even wore Crocs to TwitchCon. And everyone was like, why are you wearing those? I went, why not? And like, oh, true, true. Walking around in Jordans and you're too scared to touch a speck of dirt. I put mine in 4-wheel drive and I made straight through that dirt. I shall continue to... Yeah, so I'm gonna... Oh no, what's going on? I'm gonna be carving over the weekend too. You mad lad? Oh, brother. They have actual official Sonic ones that I bought from my buddy. He's got headlights on. Oh wait, what? I can't stand the fact that Apple started deciding on... What? Apple started on your behalf to delete apps that you haven't used in a while. Like, clearly you can't think for this. Wait, they actually do that now? Hello sir, we see that you haven't been using your browser's application, so we're gonna remove it from your phone. And you're like, no! Songui, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. That's actually Papega if they do that. That's crazy! You are taking too many L's on Call of Duty. We are taking it off your phone. That's actually crazy that they do that. My phone's on its way out and I was thinking of getting an iPhone, eh? I'm not so sure now. I'm like, bruh. Cause I log out of my social media stuff, eh? I don't really stay logged in once I, you know, finish streaming. The only app that will ever stay open on my phone, like, or constantly be used is Twitch, because I watch that more than TV. That and YouTube. That's crazy that they do that. Seems like a L move by them. But mind you, isn't that company all about L's as well? Just got home. Had to go on my motorcycle, got a patient. Ooh, bro, how do you protect the goods on a motorcycle? I was watching some motorcycle YouTube vids last night too. I've been watching a lot of like Liberty Walk videos as well. As some of you know, I'm a big Ken Block fan as well. I just still watch a lot of his stuff. I've had an Apple that is up to you. Oh, hey. By being enabled. Oh, okay. I need to take care of a snake problem in my property. My dog fell victim. You potent chemicals to ward off these things. I live in India. Yeah, it's called a stick. A big one. We don't really have snakes in my country, but if it was up to me, I'd get a big stick. A stick or a big boulder. One of the two. Wait, they don't like mothballs? Man, I can't stand mothballs, eh? So my grandmother used to use them a lot. Hello, hey, what's up, Jojo? I could not stand the smell of mothballs when I was young. Also, chat, I'm still trying to work out when we should have our 4-year subathon as well. Or maybe since I'm not gaming on my main channel, maybe I'll just do... I only do gaming streams when it's like activations or sponsored streams. Oh, what's up? No, you're all good, but I wish I had a flamethrower. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you gonna show? Yeah, I'm gonna show some of them. So our photographer took like 600 photos. So we're gonna sift through all of them. I'll probably only show the faces of my groomsmen. Pretty much, that's as far as I'm willing to go with that. I won't show my wife's face though, and my kids. Or any of her family. Oh, it's my groomsmen. They said, "Ah, all good. We're ugly. No one wants us." I was like, "Yeah, true that. That's why we got you." Hey. What type of wood is this? So this is a tortara, brother. It's pretty soft, eh? Well, tortara is well known for being a soft timber. Californian pine, similar to a Californian red pine, but we've got a couple species of it here. So I mainly like to work with a lot of native, ideally for me anyway. Majority of the time, yeah, I like to make sure I'm using native. Yeah, chat. So after the honeymoon, then I'm gonna start saving up for. I'm gonna attempt to save up for TwitchCon San Diego. So I hear it's much better in San Diego than in Vegas for like TwitchCon, from what I've been seeing, and like Las Vegas was cool. Like it was an experience. I wouldn't go out of my way to go back there though. It was yeah, a bit too busy for me. The heat wasn't even that bad. Oh, did you guys see me there? Oh, sorry, cool, Ricky. So this timber is called tortara, brother. It's a native timber to my country. You're good. Don't fancy TwitchCon EU? Ah, too close, brother. Too close and doing a lot of things with my kids. Once again, I'm one of those dads that, you know, likes to go to everything. Doesn't want to miss anything, you know, that involves my kids. You know, just likes to see what they achieve in their lives, pretty much. Wear that on my heart, brother. Yeah, so I'm thinking tomorrow's stream might be relatively late because I'm going for a hike with my kids. They run away. Oh, yeah. We got a snake expert in the chat, my bro. Something in the way I feel. Sorry, chat. How we doing, YouTube? Is all good? Pretty quiet, so I just want to make sure you guys are okay too, you know? Oh, where do I get this bit? Honey, something in the way feel. There you go. Do you love the Sonic Charles and the Crooks? Thanks, brother. It's Sonic was the very first game I ever played when I was young on the Sega Mega Drive, and it just so happens me and him are the same age. Stumbling into Twitch chat. What's up, dude? Oh my god, how are you? Sorry, just checking on the length of the nose. A moment, chat. Hey, what's up, Iway Visi? Kia ora, kia ora. Hope you're enjoying the stream over on YouTube though. Just want to make sure you're okay, that's all. Something in the way I feel. Oh, remix came out today. Yo. I forgot well remix was out today. What are you building? So I am carving something called a hoi. At the moment we're just sculpting this face, which is called a ruru. So this is all traditional Maori wood carving. That's what we're up to today, brother. Making more and more progress on this piece as we go along as well. Thank you very much to all those that have subbed to the channel as well. As we make our way, try and make our way back to 1K. Kia ora. Do you sell these here, brother? These are already, you know, going to someone. Pretty much, so I do apologize if you're looking at getting these. I do have a carving that I'll be putting up for auction as well. Sorry, I just got here. What are you making? Anthony, we are doing something called a hoi. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, so we're making something called a hoi, brother. What's known as a pedal. And so this isn't going to be used like, you know, for pedaling. It's more of a decorative piece, my brother. More of a decorative piece, my brother. Yeah, we got the YouTube working last week. But then I started going live and it wasn't working, so I just tried, you know, getting the stream key and all the bits and bobs again, and yeah, we're up. Which is good. Definitely happy I get to share with YouTube again. Oh, sorry chat, snot rockets do happen occasionally. Oh my god, is this the guy? Could be, could be. Hi, do I have snot on my nose? Google isn't helping read it. Oh, what's... Oh, yeah. I can't help you with this your snake problem, brother. Just because we don't have that kind of problem here. Pretty sure I got a snot in my nose because feeling a bit congested right now. Alright. I'll be honest, chat, bro, most of the molding is pretty much done on this face. But if you are new here, kia ora, my name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And I love to play games too. I love being a dad. And I love free food. And free timber. Oh, no wonder my hand feels naked. Hold on, chat. Gotta go get my ring. I've only just started getting used to wearing it. Drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Free food is always best, my guy. I haven't been able to find a cowboy hat either, chat. For my mother-in-law's 50th birthday thing. I might have to go without one. But if I'm to buy a cowboy hat, it will most likely be a proper one that I'll carry on wearing. Thank you for playing. Sorry, this is my late father's account, so it's nice to hear people. I really appreciate it. Oh, much love to you, my brother. Just a little thing too, I'm actually doing my late uncle's work. So I was taught how to do traditional Maori wood carving by my uncle. Unfortunately, yeah, he passed away by a heart attack and no one was around to help him. So this is what I've been doing for the last couple of days. So my auntie who ordered the commission from him approached my mum and she passed the message on, and without hesitation I said yes, because you know my uncle was someone I highly respected all my life. And my last moments I shared with him was actually at my wedding. So basically, like I won't lie to you, chat, I'm doing this job, but the funds for it are going to go to my auntie, my uncle's wife, to help her out. There are times in life when you gotta do things out of aroha, and this is one of them. Aroha is love. Do you have a PO box? No, I don't. But should I set one up? What do you reckon, chat? I don't know. Shall I? Nah, you're good. You're good, Kia ora. Do your thing. Hey, how you, brother Chris? Kia ora from Indianapolis. Kia ora, brother Matthew. How are you? Clean. Yeah, brother. So this is pretty much in my uncle's memory while I'm doing it. PO box is handy if you're concerned about stalkers. If you aren't, oh, I'm not, but you know, I got kids, eh? Cause yeah, like if weirdos came up to my house, they'll see the other side of me, and it's not great. I'll say that much. I get to experience your work on something that is so special to you. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much, brother Anthony. You too, my bro. Much love to you always, brother. Definitely get a PO box. Good. My wife and I recently split our North Island. We loved Rotorua. Oh, spent our honey. Fuck. Sorry for saying split. Oh, I'm so stupid. Sorry, brother. I kind of didn't see the word. Sorry about that. I hope you enjoyed Rotorua though. Then you are worried, especially the whānau best to have. Yeah. I remember one time there was this guy who knocked on my door and he tried to rush in while my kids were there, and I stood on his foot and I was slamming the door on his leg. He was he was a real weird guy. Like, he tried to just like barge into the house, and my protective instincts just kicked in, and okay, first thing I thought of was destroy this guy. That was the first thing I thought of, because he's trying to push me out the way and step into my house. Well, it's not my house, I'm renting. And do you ever game on stream? Not on this channel anymore. Yeah, if you want to follow more gaming, follow Notbrox. Yeah, so I just opened the door to say hello, and then he fully like tried to push me over, and like rush in, but because, you know, I'm quite a big guy. Yeah, he didn't really move me, so he had his foot in, I stood on his foot, and then I just gave him the nod with my eyebrows and slammed the door on his leg. Yeah, rarely do I ever get aggravated, I should say. But yeah, the guy, it seems like the guy was just trying to, you know, rob houses, because there was a string of house robberies around the area, and I guess I just robbed him of walking for a little bit, I guess. Sorry, my bad. But he asked for it. Here, bro. Here's my gaming channel. Ooh, look at me shouting myself out. That's cringe. Is it exclamation mark SO? I can't remember. I think that's how you do it. No? Is it slash? I can't remember how to shout out shit. I'm turning 24 and I feel old. Don't you ever come in here to a 32-year-old man's goddamn channel and say you're old at the goddamn age of 24. You goddamn bastard. I'll just look it up. Yeah, not Brox is my other one. It's just for gaming. It is an actual accent. I played a lot of Red Dead, okay? I'm old. Well, what the hell am I? Ancient? You goddamn bastard. Sorry, I had to. It made. Oh, sorry, Chris. I gotta make a command for that. There you go, my brother. Nailed it. Just stopping by to say hello, my bro. Have a good one. Thank you, Lord Fourth. The Lord Fourth Hokage. Any of my fellow weebs up to date on One Piece? You need the link in your about. Yeah, I think so. I followed you from TikTok. Hey, Glenny, did I say that right? What's up, Clueless? How are you, brother? These two Brox, have a great day. You too, brother Matthew. I don't think I'll ever be up to date on One Piece. Oh, nah, I feel that. I know a lot of people don't like the fact that how many episodes there are. I've been watching it for so long, I'm like, eh. I'm way too excited for a couple of reveals. I won't give away much. Like, the Void Century is something I've been cooming about since they talked about it. Like, I can't wait till we find out about that. Also, the original Joy Boy. Can't wait for that. It's been nothing but One Piece every day since we moved. Hey, oh, you're on 700 plus episodes now. How's your kids thinking of it now? Yeah, one of your mods gave me the idea to start making TikTok channels, so I will get. Yeah, make one. Make one. I started the anime cartoons, gave about 40 episodes, and oh, brother. Do you like the Netflix version? I actually enjoyed it. Like, there's not a lot of adaptations that did well. Dragon Ball Z. But yeah, I actually really enjoyed it. It took me a little while. The only problem I had with it was the bendy sword. That was about it. I like who, I don't know his name. The actor that plays Mihawk, he's flawless, man. From laughing like Brook to laughing like Doflamingo. Yeah. Don Quixote de. Do Flamingo. Ah, he's the man. I love Do Flamingo. I see myself liking a lot of villains in One Piece too, because they're so good. Wonder how they're gonna do the gender bend episode. Yeah, we'll see about that. I see a lot of frothing in the future. Yeah, no, I can't wait for Luffy with jokes. First. Oh, choo. Fuck, you've been smoking it, bro. You could do voice acting. That's actually my dream job. Voice acting. I put myself out there, but yeah, no bites. But it's something I'd like to get into. When I went to BlizzCon, I got to speak with the voice actor of Roadhog. And good dude, man, good dude. And he just asked me like, why do you want to do it? I went, oh, because it's fun. I've always been into it, like trying to imitate voices and whatnot. And he goes, that's the main reason why you should do it, for fun. For real, my only concern with the live action One Piece is how the fuck they're gonna do Chopper. Put him on a plate. Wait, didn't someone meme and like turn Dwayne The Rock Johnson into like Chopper? I thought that was pretty funny, not gonna lie. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how they do Chopper. Hold on, chat, just looking for witches right now. I used to work for Goblin Studios and a few YouTube. Oh, true! Shouldn't admit is that I actually rewatched One Piece more than once. Is that the live action? Yo, what's up, Nob? Yeah, I thought they did relatively well. And I understand they're redoing some of the older episodes as well into the current animation style. I think that's what I saw. So because we're dropping here, I want to drop the rest too. I don't want it all to have like a slight drop, to be honest. Not a fan of it, so I'd rather level out the whole thing. But for now, we're just focusing. Our main focal point for today is here. How do I donate? I have no idea how to do YouTube stuff. I just push live. Are there any YouTube experts? Do I need to set anything else up for YouTube, like emotes and whatnot? Do I need to do that? Because I got an email saying I was eligible for like stickers. Is that a YouTube thing? Like emotes? Let me know if I'm wrong. I think I need to look into it more. I do apologize about that. Would you be able to fly to LA? Universal might be in the realm of hiring you. Probably not, eh? Yeah, I'm still like, I don't really have the money to do that. Like, I'm still saving. Like, I'm trying to save for my honeymoon, whilst trying to save for a house in the long run too. Oh, I did not stain my gibbets. So I've been really trying to budget in life lately. Yo, Sturdy! Thank you very much for the brand new tier 3 for 45 bloody months, my brother. Feel free to cancel that at any time, just like every other month I've been saying that to tier 3s. Appreciate the aloha as usual, my bro. And I hope you are well. I tell you what. Gritty ducks in the chat. There you go. What are you making? We are doing a hoi, but we are carving a face called a ruru. What's your honeymoon plans? So we're not planning to go anywhere like extremely far. We're gonna stay local, just only going for like a few days. We're going to just to Queenstown down south. We've always wanted to go there. Maybe I could have you voice a character sometime, or even an alert for stream only if you would want to though. What kind of character? I've still got to get an alert made from Cinnamon Toast Ken, but I don't know what I should get him to say. My dad is a voice actor and he tried to get me into it, but I just couldn't do it. Maybe it's just because he tried to get me into voice acting for kids shows, but just couldn't take it seriously. No matter how much money was on the line, I just felt so, oh, I guess you know, it's up to the individual at the end of the day. One of my favorite voice actors, Matt Mercer. But I love a lot of them, eh? Like even Chris Metzen, who voices my favorite WoW character, living, I should say, Thrall, or Big Daddy Metzen. What's your favorite one piece you've done, and what's your longest? To be honest, brother, I love them all, eh? I'm that guy, brother. I just got a connection with all of them. But the longest one I ever did was when I was a student. It took me 6 months to do. It was a bit of a hard one because like halfway through, my tutor at the time just didn't want to tutor me anymore, and a few other students, so I'm very, very stubborn in nature. Like, I hate giving up, pretty much. I'm not one to fold and like ask for help straight away. I like to work things out on my own before I you know, initially start getting into it. But let me try and find it. The piece I'm going to show you here took me around 6 months as a student, but I got there in the end. Yeah, that's just how I've always been, brother. I hate folding. I get my stubbornness from my grandmother and my mum. Here it is, brother. So that's the piece there. Yeah, so that took me around 6 months to do it when I was a student. And bro, it was hard, bro. It was hard. But yeah, I finished majority of it on my own. And I'm super proud that I did. Like, I didn't ask for help until the end, pretty much. What is this? Oh, it's Shrek. I could barely see it. I'll be honest, I felt like Shrek fell off after episode, or like the second or third. If you are enjoying the stream, chat, consider following or watching the channel you're watching from. If you want to support even more by subbing to the channel, it is much appreciated too. If you want to donate instead to the Games for Charity Fund, that is very much appreciated too. It finishes at the end of the month. Exclamation mark Pit Viper, who are supporting me this month. If you sign up, just follow the tweet and sign up. You will get your own pair and just start helping raise funds for cancer research. But if you just want to chill, that's fine too. Hey Susie. Wait, they're making another Shrek? Holy. I didn't even know. I thought they would have gave up on it after, like, he lived happily ever after. Guess not. Come on now. I have to go set up. No, all good, man. Go do your thing. Have a good day. Kia ora, Rex. Ka te pai nā mahi. Pretty much finished rough moulding the head, eh? It's all there. It is all there. Didn't take long because I'm like familiar with this particular mold anyway. This is like the second time I've ever done it. Like, even though this is my uncle's piece, I still wanted to show like a bit of me, you know? Just to showcase how far I've come from being his student to now. A bit of me. How long do you expect this piece to take, bro? So I just found out these aren't due till November, but I want to finish them ASAP. I want to try and give myself Maybe halfway through the next month, because isn't this month almost like over? Or maybe early next month, because after this I'm just designing the face, doing a simple design and simple design here, and we just gotta mold the handle, and that's about it. Hi there, lunatic. What's up, Mr. Megablade? The things here have improved. What's that? Oh, that's good. Not gonna lie. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is carving the top to give more emphasis on the top of the head too, so make it look like it's popping out a bit more. Last time I was here there was no good camera and Brox was new streamer. Oh geez, so bro, this is only like my second YouTube stream. Huh? Much love from Oz, big fella. How we made? Hey, what's up, brother? All is well here, my bro. G'day, g'day. It's another nice cold morning here next door, my bro. But yeah, everything is going well. When you're carving, I do the same, but with steel. This is steel as well. Oh, you do steel? Oh, yeah, okay. I see. My bad. God damn. Very nice, brother, very nice. There you go, Dahi. There we go. There you go. Now the forehead's got a bit more emphasis on it. Hey, much out of Mega Blade. So what is Maori? Maori are the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand. We are the great navigators of the sea, but we have, this is our homeland that we come from. Now, in our culture, we didn't really have a written form of language. How we passed down our myths, stories, and legends was more face to face. That's how we normally did it. Oh, we still do it like that today as well. That's how I pass knowledge on to my kids, just by, talking to them. Unless they want to read a book about it. And we have many other forms too, like this one here. Whakairo is used as a form of storytelling and passing down our history too. For example, yo, Stalefish, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 8 years. Oh, 8 months, holy shit, I haven't even been streaming for 8 years. Sorry, brother. Or sis, I'd better say, but thank you very much. What are you sculpting? We are doing a ruru. So that's this face here, so you can see eyes, nose, for a more artistic feel. I've done two noses on the outside too, so if you half the face, there's one face there. Show the full face. You know, there's a nose there too. So if you cover the nose in the middle, then you can see the side profile of the face that I'm doing too. Sorry, Stalefish. Yeah, so my people have had many different methods and ways to pass down our stories. Whakairo was one of them. Maori wood carving, the way it was done. Normally, you know, if you had an ancestor, you might like a particular thing, you know. For example, one of my ancestors known as Tūhoi. Tūhoi is renowned for killing his older brother and eating his heart. Now back in those days, you know, it was a big statement to do something like that. But why he did that was to take his mana and his status in front of his followers. So he did that. So the way he's depicted in the carving form is by doing the tribal style. So we have many different tribes in our country that have their own particular way how they like to carve. So not everyone carves the same as well. So that's the way you would depict one of your ancestors, and that's how the stories start from there. And with that being said, yeah, many different tribal styles within our country. Even in the South Island too, there's some down there. But majority of the time, yeah, it all depends. Like all our tribal styles are inspirations from our surroundings. But that's how the stories would start, pretty much. And another variation, which is quite well known, which is the Haka, the Maori posture war dance, done by our ancestors in days of old. Also our forefathers, they went to the world wars. There was another form that we used. Now we use the Haka in the modern day for many different things. To celebrate individuals, you know, graduations, birthdays, all those kind of things. Or even funerals as well. And then we use them for our Haka competition that our country holds. So regionals, then nationals. Nationals is next year. Regionals just finished this year for now. What do you know from Murder Vegas, bro? I see you got the dual stream. Yeah, just giving it a dab. Giving it a dabble. I would be up on TikTok too, but I can't find my phone tripod, so eh. Hey, thank you, Sua. But yeah, that's one of the main reasons for the Haka as well. It was a stimulus for our warriors, you know, that would help psych them up spiritually, mentally, emotionally before the ongoing battle ahead of them. The Haka was also used to hope in the hopes, you know, intimidate the other war party, and then they would turn around, pack their stuff up and head home so no battle would take place. But 9 times out of 10, that didn't work and they fought anyway to the death. So there's that variation of storytelling as well. We have many other different waiata or song. So yeah, our ancestors had their methods. We didn't ever use like pen and paper to you know, time's kind of rolled on, and yeah, it started adapting in time pretty much. But yeah, hope that helps, brother, on YouTube. Also to those on Twitch as well. Pardon me. Ooh, how am I gonna do this one? Of course the grain is going down. I need to cut up. Bloody bugger. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Takuaroha. Sup, Joe War? Alright. Let's do this top knot. I was watching some D&D lore videos last night, dude, shit. They're pretty cool, eh? I didn't realise how much lore the game on the franchise had. Very, very rich lore game, I must say. So I'll keep doing a little bit of this and I'll swap over to the other piece. Oh, bro. Also, guys, now, I haven't really been interested, ever, or for a while, in the Assassin's Creed franchise for a long time. I just watched the trailer last night, and bro, it's so cool that you get to be Yasuke. I was buzzing out at that, eh? I was fully buzzing out that you could be like, you know, you got an option between, you know, being an assassin or being Yasuke. Like I've always mentioned that, like, Musashi, he's my favorite warrior outside of my culture, but I love, you know, the enigma that is Yasuke as well in his story, bro. Yeah, I was buzzing right out. I was buzzing right out. Hopefully, I can finish this carving before Carson Nut finishes Elden Ring 2. Surely. Been watching a few of his attempts lately. It's been pretty cool. Are you married? Yeah, for about a month and a bit now. I is. Hey, thank you, man. It was a very, very cool day. I'm just glad a lot of people enjoyed themselves. That was the main thing for me. It's the one thing I've always worried about. we on our daily sub goal right now, chat? I can't see it. What are we pushing? Sounds like a sick wedding. Oh, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it was a moment I always thought about most of my life. Like I always knew, like from a young age, that I was gonna marry someone. Thinking about that at 16 is kind of, you know, whew. But yeah, that was just me. Incredible woodwork, thank you very, very much. Yeah, we're gonna switch over to another project very soon. Actually, I might do that after this bit. Hey, what's goody, Jiggy? Shit, I thought my frames were dropping. God damn. Alright. That's with my father. How you doing? Yeah, not too bad. Just been hella busy. Hella busy with the fams. But yeah, we're good now. Last 2 days were pretty hectic. Just helping with my big girl, but yeah, it was we're good. We're good on this side. Hold on, chat, just redoing my cord. It's not taking power again, but we're good so far. Laptop problems. Alright, we're good. We're good. Alright, let's post that up a bit. Trying to take a photo of it as well. That's the one thing I've been slack at lately is taking photos of my progress. I can take my hoodie off now, it's not so cold. I've been really slack with my progress shots lately. Dang, show the crooks off. I'll do that soon. Hold on, just take a photo. I think my tools need a bit of a sharpen too. Yeah. You can sort of see it. Sun on this timber ain't that good. Yeah, all good. Alright, let's swap over. Do the other piece. Imagine doing 2 damn pieces at once. Goddamn crazy. Sincerely yours from now until the moment I can't breathe. And if it ain't same, what are you making? Well, I was carving a pedal, ahoy. So we just molded the face so far. So there's about 4 different faces in one, or 3. So if you take a closer look, so there's the front face, so all that in the middle, and if we cover like half of it, you can see the nose here, the eye there, the head there, and the mouth. And when you show all of it, boom, there's another 3. You see? Yeah, it's a simple mold. But yeah, I've got finish this charity carving. I'm probably gonna smash this out over the weekend. But for now, yeah, we'll do it now. Oh my heart of fine, I know I will be vulnerable. Sincerely yours from now till the moment I can breathe. And if it ain't safe. We played that one, right? Yeah, I've been playing a lot of like safe music when it comes to the content lately, just so it doesn't get like copyright strike. And I heard it's a lot more strict on YouTube as well. If I'm right? Yeah, I don't even know, but I don't want to take the risk, eh? Welcome. Right, let's carve these pit vipers, eh? Glare, glare. Yeah, YouTube can be strict like that. Yeah, bro. Like, I uploaded a video and it had like a little instrument and the guy copyrighted the instrument sound. I'm like, bro, are you smoking bum right now? Hey, what's up, Terminator? I was like, come on, man, I want my 13 cents. Might have to take my ring off. So yeah, this piece is for the Gaming for Cancer Foundation, or the charity that you see on the stream. So Pit Viper has teamed up with me to raise funds, and we've raised over like 1,200 so far. And the reason why I'm carving these pair of glasses is because when I finish it, I'm going to send it to them in Australia and they're going to auction it off, and the funds go to them, to the Cancer Foundation. pretty much. Now our goal is 2,500. If we don't hit the goal, you know, it's fine. We've done our best as a community, and I'm happy that, you know, we get to contribute to this great cause as well. One of the main reasons why I did this, I gotta have a reason to do it, one of the main reasons why I did it, because the bro that reached out to me, his father's cancer has reappeared. I'm not gonna say who it is. Shout out to my bro, and also someone who I highly respect within the carving space, or the Whakairo space. His significant other's cancer has returned, so that was my other reason. Is this auction online? I believe so. I just give it to them, and then they handle it. So I've got to put, like, you know, Piz Viper, and I'm gonna put the word team over here, and might put some Maori designs on it. I made a mistake though by cutting this out, because I've lost a lot of strength, so I gotta be careful. Rox, I gotta leave, but you're the best. Ah, all good, man. Do your thing, brother. But yeah, this is for an auction, pretty much. Hold on, chat. So go to that line. That's how far we can go. But yeah, that was my main reason for wanting to do it. Individuals I knew were being affected by this shit fucking virus, and sorry for swearing, but I hate cancer. I'd proudly say I'm one of the biggest haters on cancer. Yeah, and that's my main reason for doing it. For them. To, you know, fighting it right now. And yeah, gotta be done by Monday. I've just been so busy with my kids, but yeah, I'll send it over the weekend. I'll be streaming, I'll try and chuck some streams into chat, but on the weekend we'll be pushing this piece. It won't be hard to make a base for it. I mean, it'll take me like an hour at most. Maybe not even that. Yo, what's up, Serge? And he kutsu ahi. Kia ora. Yeah, so we'll finish this. Just made like all the iconic bits of the glasses. Once this is all done, once I've designed the front, I'll design it, yeah, and then we'll cut the back out. Yeah, it's a bit of a hard timber. I don't know what it is. It's an offcut from that paddle. It's an offcut, yeah, it's an offcut from some of the timber my uncle had, so, you know, seemed like a waste to just throw a good bit that I could see away. If I see the carving in that piece of timber, I don't really throw it away. I really ever do. Glen. Woo. Scary. What's for lunch? Work. No, I don't know. Oh man, I need to try and get some ready-made meals there from Muscle Farm or something, because I don't have time to make lunch and anything. I pretty much clean the house, do the washing, and straight into this. I normally I want to try and get my like 3 hours. I always try and get my 3 hours done on stream. So I believe we're just hitting 2 soon. But yeah, once I hit my 3 hours, I try and make my streams 3 hours minimum these days. Is it still bright? Well, I want to make my streams 3 hours minimum. Or 3 hours plus, that's all. I just don't want to be under that. Yeah, I don't wanna be under it. So satisfying to watch. Oh, I'm glad you like it, brother. Oh, my laptop's not taking power. Oh, jeez. What kind of wood is that? Any idea you can try? Yeah, like I don't even have time to like make the meals. Because once like school's over, like all my time, you know, is for my kids. Oh, yeah, you might look at some, there's like a supplements and sports store here that I think makes ready-made meals. Maybe I'll get like 3 of them. Should help. Yeah, that's the main thing I need to do, man, is like, fuck, meals. It's time to like start eating properly. Gotta start eating properly, being more healthier. That's like the main, definitely the main one for me is making sure my kids are eating healthy. Okay, well, I gotta keep an eye on the battery for now, shit. Damn bloody laptop. Yeah. They can add us to... Yeah. No, I'm aware of that. Boy. Alright. Clean. Clean them up now. Clean them up now. I could fall asleep This is why it's so peaceful. I appreciate that, brother. What's up, Irish? Yo, thank you very much to Joju Moju for the Optimus Prime. I appreciate that, my brother. Thank you very much. Thank you to those that are using their primes here as well. Emihiana kia koutou. Appreciate you. Oh dear, we're not taking power. Bro, I swear, Chad, every time my laptop just decides I don't want to take on power anymore. I should really get my laptop checked though. I just don't know where though, here. And I kinda need it. Yo, Insomniac Streams, thank you very much for the raid. Hello. Welcome everybody from your stream as well. Kia ora, my name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver and I'm carving a pair of pit vipers. Hey, appreciate that. I hope you're well. Hope you had a wonderful stream too. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you very much, Dreams. How are you? How's the Dream Team going? Hope your stream is going well. My laptop has decided not to take power, but I'm still good. I'm happy. How are you? Love your work and wanted to share. Hey, appreciate that. Yeah, we're just so I'm carving a piece for charity right now, and the team that's helping me out with the Cure Cancer Foundation right now is Pit Viper. So I'm carving a pair of Pit Vipers, and we're gonna give them all to them to auction off, and all the funds will go to Games for Cancer Foundation. So satisfying. Cheers, brother B. Yes, I'm just slightly rounding one side. He's slightly rounding this side. And then we'll come to the other side and do the exact same. I'll drop down these pieces as we go along too. And once it's all like molded, then I gotta draw like Pit Viper and yeah. It should be good. One moment. I don't know why, but I get the feeling this is an avocado tree. That's amazing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, so I'll show you. So I've been recently doing a commission that belonged to my uncle, but unfortunately he passed away. So we've been doing a paddle. This is his one. So this is the one that he finished before he passed away. So a hoi is a pedal, not specifically used, you know, for what a pedal's normally used for, but this is more of a decorative piece for a birthday. So that's the one he finished before he passed away. And this is the one that I started. So he had one more to do. And I just started it recently. So yeah, not much done to it other than the face at the moment. So that's what I did there. Pretty much. So this is wanted to give the illusion that there's more than one face there. So there's a nose here, main nose, another nose there. So if you cover one side, there's like a side profile of the face. Then you can show the whole one. There's the other face, and then there's the same illusion on the other side too. How's married life been treating you? I'm still spamming your emotes all over solar system. Hey, what's up, B-Tree? Are you my brother? Mahalo for doing that, my brother. Hey. And today, yeah, we're carving some pit vipers for charity. Hey, mahalo nui, brother. Thank you. I need to get some more whiku emotes done. I just don't know what ones to do. So this is like the main mascot for the carving side of my stream. And this is the gaming side's mascot. So this character was designed by my kids. So this one here, my kids came up with this character for the gaming side. Yo, Insomniac, thank you very much for gifting Dreams and sub. 17 out of 30 on the daily sub goal. Appreciate the aloha. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, so that bear right there is very near and dear to my heart because my girls came up with it. They're pretty much just saying how they were like, you always use their carvings for the carving side. I was like, cause it's what I do. What do you mean? And you're like, can you make one for the gaming side? I was like, oh, I'm actually down. I'm actually with you on that. And I asked them, what are you thinking of? And like, what animal do you see Papa being? That's kind of the first question I said. They said, you know, a lion. And I went, I've been doing like the Lion King stuff for a couple years now. Let's try and make something new. And they had two options, a gorilla and a bear. And so it's up to you. You've got to decide as a team which one you want. And they decided on the bear being the gaming mascot, and like colors. I mean, what color do you want it to be? And it all came down to, for the color, they were drinking a lime milkshake. I was like, oh, alright. If it's what you want, it's what you want. And the last characteristic they put on their bear was the sprout on his head. And yeah, that's how my gaming mascot character was made. It was born. I love it. It's it's pretty much, yeah, I love it because they made it. Yo, B-Tree, thank you for gifting us up, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, that's how my gaming mascot came into the world. I love him. We haven't really named him yet. Or they haven't named him, they just... yeah. They just call it a bear. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm glad I left that activity for them to like figure out as a team. Hey guys, guess whose laptop isn't taking power again? Oh my gosh. don't know how to fix it, eh? I don't know how to fix it. Like what I've been currently doing to keep the stream alive is unplugging it for a bit and plugging it back in. Seems to be working for a short moment. Faulty power supply? Could be. It could be like the cord or like the extension cord. But even when I plug it into the wall, like it'll charge sometimes and then it won't charge again. So it could be the cord, eh? Most likely. So I'm on full battery now, so we're chilling, but yeah, I need to figure out like why it's doing that. But I feel like I can't really risk taking it to a shop when I can't stream. That's why I'm so stressed about it. It's I have no idea what it is. It's a Razer one. Hey, what's up, Mars? Glad to watch you for a bit today. Hey, appreciate that, my brother. Just doing a bit of a charity carving at the moment, my bro. But yeah, I think I'll go live on my gaming channel tonight. I'm either going to play GTA RP or play the new WoW remix or Pandaria remix. I forgot that was out today. So I'm pretty down. I'm pretty down to jam it. Can't believe I'm carving glasses. I think one more thing I gotta do after it's like molded like this is sort out what I'm gonna design on it. It's gonna be like light years. Yeah, my bro. So I'm doing a charity stream all this month, and I've been doing charity streams since last month, the 1st. And we've raised about $1,200 for cancer research. And Pit Viper's supporting me for it too. So it just made sense to like do a Pit Viper carving and auction it off. Auction it off, my bro. And all the funds can go to the Cancer Foundation. It's one that like I gotta have reasons to do stuff majority of the time. That's how I've always like lived my life. And this one I wasn't really hesitant at all to do it this time around because one of my bros, his dad has fallen ill again with the evil C. So I pretty much said, no, that's us, we'll run it. Let's go, my bro. So I was definitely keen to do that for. Yeah, I was very keen to run that for him, brother. Alright, let's sort out our thingies. Yo, B-Tree! My brother, just mark up this. what is up, my bro? Thank you very much for the 45 months, brother. Hi, Maori, by the way, these raiders are my ohana from Canada. Oh, yo! Yeah, buku alohas for all. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, I saw you come through with them. We'll definitely return the favor, my brother. Appreciate you, my guy. I want to learn more of my ohana's language. He's got to teach me, my brother. I'm down. Yo, B-Tree, thank you for another gifted sub, my bro. Appreciate you, my brother. Thank you. Hold up, wait a minute, let me get some carving in it. How we doing, YouTube? You all good? You just chilling? Yo, B-Tree again, my brother. Yo, I appreciate the aroha, my bro. Thank you, brother. Holy week 10 away from daily sub goal too. Appreciate you, my brother. And everyone else that's contributed or shown aroha today as well, I should say, not contributed. Wee. Oh no, we gotta go that way. Damn. Okay, Green's going that way. It's gonna be a hard one. Okay, let me turn this around. Yo, B-Tree, my brother. Brother, you've done more than enough, my bro. I appreciate the aroha. I honestly do. But you've done enough, my bro. I appreciate that, though, brother. So our tree is growing that way, so we can't carve that way. Headache number one. Oh, my brother. Jeez, my bro. Why is the notification not popping up at all? Thank you very much for yet another 2 gifteds, brother. You are a mad lad, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Honestly, brother, you've done more than enough. You can just come and chill, my brother. Aloha, Brox. I found your channel from creator on YouTube. Glad I called you. Who was the creator, Corey, if you don't mind me asking, so I can go say thank you. Aloha, brother. Hey, good to see all my cousins coming through too. One of my mods is from Hawaii too. She's got really quiet though. My sister Jiggy. Brother B Tree. Oh my gosh, my bro. Thank you very much for yet another gifted, my bro. Why is the notification not working though? It's crazy. My alerts are all turned on and everything. Hey, what's going on? What's up? We're carving some pit vipers. How are you? What's goody? What's goody, my G? What's goody? We're all quiet here in Hawaii, especially with all the rain we're getting on. Oh, really? You got the rainy season, huh? I think Hawaii, or the islands of Hawaii, have always been a dream destination of mine to go to one day. Not so much for the touristy stuff. I'd like to just have a yarn with some of the locals, eh? Learn the history. Like the proper history from the tangata whenua. Out of season, big storm. Oh yeah. It do be getting like that lately, yeah. Like just random spouts every now and again. If you will come, my auntie does special tours of Bishop and Yolani Palace. Can learn the history that way. Yo, yeah, I'd be down, brother. Like, if I was to ever... You do YouTube streams too? This is my second one. I just learned how to dual stream. I'll keep that in mind, brother. Outside of my own culture, when it comes to like all the rangatira in Polynesia, all the chiefs, everyone, I've always been fascinated by what King Kamehameha did. That's rangatira stuff right there. Rangatira. I think it was a clip from you and your channel was still small, showing how... Yeah, Corey, it would have been my brother, the infamous clip. Back in COVID days. I'm just glad like a lot of people found a place that could, you know, be comfortable in, eh? Because that was the main thing, eh? We couldn't really do much around that time, and it was a very dark time for a lot of people. And I'm glad they found some, you know, some light within, you know, a little corner of the internet, which is my channel. My niece got her dual citizenship status with, hey, she visited North Island, now she's looking at New Zealand. Hey, nice. Yo, B-Tree. Some good places here. Queenstown is definitely a hotspot. Maori tourism is only ever in my city here, in Rotorua. Not really sure what the state of it is like at the moment. But yeah, there's here. Oh, there's a lot of places you could check out. Well, congratulations, man. That's cool. Ooh, alright. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Sorry, I'm going against the grain chat, so that's hence the sound effects. Pretty rough, eh? Pretty rough. Oh gosh. Whee! Oh, your woodworking feels good? Yeah, brother. That's why I'm only doing Whakairo on my stream now then. From now on, my bro. Because it's what everyone comes to see when it comes to my name, right? So it only like makes sense to strictly do that on my channel. I do have an alt account though, just for gaming, just for chilling out and having a couple games. Yo, B-Tree, I know. What the gifted, I know. But you know you can stop that, eh? Kei te pai, brother, kei te pai. B-Tree be wild, and I know I'm trying to tell him to stop, but he won't listen. Oop, sorry, that's not sitting flush. Where do you stop off on your Fallout 4? We are currently at Nuka World. We'll start that. We'll be doing that on the other account now. Bongo, 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 I don't want to leave the Congo. No, 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 no. Bingo, bongo, bongo. So, oh, I shouldn't be singing that while YouTube's on. I'm like, well, actually, we're gonna copyright you. Ha 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 ha. Yuck you, man. Yuck you, man. Also, hello, coming. Expert and gaming, so sort of half look. Nah, you good? What are you playing though? My other account is called Not Brox. You can find it in my stream section 2 of my recommended watches. Imagine promoting myself. That guy. Just look for the green bear, brother, and you'll see it's me. Shout out to everyone that's been following it too. I didn't expect to get so much followers. Yeah, that's why I'll be playing games, brother. I'm not sure what I'm going to play tonight. I'm either going to play Pandaria Remix or keep grinding out for CG on GTA. Possibly. Yeah, it's just a place to, you know, chill out, have fun, play some games, pretty much. Need to start playing Fortnite with the community. Followed, hey, appreciate that, my brother. Thank you. For now, we're gonna carve these glasses. These goddamn glasses. You gonna make me bust up, bruh? AKA forgot this is repair the last switch car. Hey, bro, if there's like I know there's like, I'm actually gonna ask on Twitter. I'm actually gonna ask on Twitter now to Twitch. Hold up. Kia ora, Twitch. With all these guilds in the community, can we do a Polynesian one? Okay, if we get to go ahead on this guild and I'm the leader, the way you join, you have to make me some of your cuisine from whatever island you come from, and you send it to my house. No. If it's nice, you're in. No. Yo, Beatree, my bro. If it's not nice, make another one and send it over again. Beatree, brother, thank you very much, bro. I do apologize when our notifications not working. Hey, if you do get a gifted sub, be like the bro and say thank you too. Beautiful stuff. Thank you very much there, Tom Pierce. Brox, can you sign my petition to bring back the 12%? What even is that, bummer? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that's for. I don't really internet much, so... Lolo. Oh, poke. I love poke. Oui. I still want to try a horse. Yeah, that sounds yum. Beautiful stuff. Appreciate that, my brother. Yeah, we're just currently doing some some pit viper glasses for this charity thing. Drop it down low like the floor is lava. Burn. Misspelled Twitch in your tweet. I always have misspells. I do it every time. Twist. Yo, twist. Just hit up someone. I better delete it in case they go WTF. Do I know you? What's your sub goal? 30. Yo, Beatree, you don't need to do it, brother. I better delete it just in case whoever twitters might go, hey, who are you? Okay, let me try that again. Kia ora, Twitch. Damn, I should have just copy and pasted that thingy. Fuck, did I spell it properly? Well, I had to spell check that one. Doubting myself. Yeah, got it. Oh, I do have a bit of a question. I finally got some space and wanted to do some woodworking. What basic tools would you need? Anonymous. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb. Getting us to our daily sub goal. What the guacamole? Thank you to you, B-Tree, and everyone else that hey, showed some model heart to me today. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you very, very much. Very, very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you did get a gifted sub from Anonymous, please, 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 because you nagged him. Let me guess, that was B-Tree, because you... I don't know, it didn't show his name. And he's been showing his name for the last, like, 15. Basic tools, brother. I think what you would need, if you can't get super jewels like the ones I have, bro, I built my own table out of scrap woods, 2x4s and everything, and the way I would sit my carvings, I'd like, for example, I'd have a piece of timber here, here, and here, and like nail them or drill them in so the timber would stay solid. And my first chisels I ever used, brother, were hardware store ones, brother. Those were the ones I used, and they did me wonders. I could, you know, after a while you understand your tools, you get a feel for them, learn how to sharpen them too. But the chisels I'm using now are Swiss chisels, which were gifted to me. So the carving school I went to, it's a real like traditional Maori carving school, one, the best one in the world. When you get accepted and you start, you get gifted a pack of chisels, brother. It's kind of like, you know, your part of your soul as a Whakairo artist or a Whakairo individual wood carver. And if you graduate, you get to keep them. If you don't, well, then you don't get to keep them. But obviously, you know, I graduated, and the pack that I have is yeah, mine. So it depends, brother. Like the shop we have here, it's called Carbatec, C-A-R-B-A-T-E-C, and they have this brand of chisel that I use. So this one here. But there's many other ones too. Is there Wai Pakura Pakati Rotorito Hai or something else? All of them. I love every single design pretty much. There's you know, I have those ones that are very near and dear to me, like Rape Rape, because that was the first design my uncle taught me. And it's just more of a design that's close to my heart because it was the very, very first one that I learned with my uncle, and it just became that much more special when he passed away too. But yeah, I love every single design, my brother. There's not one I put above the other. Like, I love them all. Just depends on which one I haven't done in a while, then I'll do it. That's how I kind of choose. Hard to tell you. Just a fan showing like, hey, thank you, Slowpoke. What up, Jet? It's a bit more of an angle on this one. But I'll do that as we go along. Since it's 3:15 AM, hey, you know, go to sleep, brother. Don't stay up at silly o'clock for me, eh? My father told me it was called. Oh, yeah, Rauru is a form of Pakati. which was one of the designs that Ruru really loved doing. Yeah, that's what Ruru was known for, doing that particular design, so that's the reason why it has his name. I think the pakati I've done the least is Tuara Kuri. I think the coolest pakati is probably those ones in Wanganui. Their pakatis are mean. Flows of doom. Looks like a rimu needle. Because I was looking. No, you're real good, Tails. You do your thing. Oh yeah, they're sharp over there. Yeah, brother. Yeah, their pakatis are mean. I really love how distinctive they are. Hey, Faye. Love the distinctive style of their pakati. Check. Oi. I just want to make sure like these levels are all good. What are you making today? A pair of pit vipers. Just finished doing a hoi before, just a little quick mold. So I'll show you what I did before this. Let me just clean this up a little bit. Oh gosh, yo Sariki, that's a bloody name I haven't seen in a long time. How are you, you handsome bugger? Kia ora, my bro. Appreciate the 26 months, my brother. How you been, though? Yo, YouTube, can you, like, raid people on... Oh, I'm not even logged into my YouTube outside. Never mind. Also, Beachy, if you know any other, like, Kanaka streamers too, let me know. I'd love to give them a follow. My mod Jiggy only likes streaming when I'm asleep. Bloody egg. Where does your style come from? The Institute. Te wānanga Whakairo rākau. But I don't know, like I know every single tribal style, so yeah, I'd say yeah, from the wānanga. I went there to upskill and get some better knowledge. Kind of go off the base that I had. Yeah, so one of the projects that was really cool to carve on was Matatini. That was a cool project to be a part of. Yeah, have you been watching Space Force stream lately? No, I heard he had got a VR James Randall game out though. Feel like I'm chatting to the bird now. Where does it? Ah, yeah, all good. Yeah, so I went through Te Puia. Yeah, I went there to, get better, upskill, learn more. Oh yeah, man, being a part of Matatini, whew, that was an honour. a very much big honor. He's put a. How do you get that one? Yeah. Rotorua. Yo, Beatree, that's enough from you, you egg. You're gonna have to put stars and galaxies and stuff on those glasses. I was gonna do just some core Wi-Fi designs, just light ones, not too heavy, like just light design work, or just not do any at all. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Still early days. Still early days. Vapor. I got a carved team here. However I'm gonna do it, I have no idea. How do you spell team? I don't know. T-E-A-M? I don't know. It was a download ago, but not sure if he'll be releasing it to the public. Oh yeah. He's pulling out the Shakespeare. Hey? What project was it, bro? What's that? My father had a couple pieces at Te Matatini. Pātiti Taiaha. Oh, true. What project? Oh, just like carving the Matatini Maho. Being a part of that project. Check my swag. Ooh. Yeah, I got to be a part of that, which was pretty buzzy. Clank, glare. Clank, glare. How low do I have to go? Still a lot of meat there. I gotta be careful though. Pretty good though. Take one step at a time. Yeah, like when I was a student there, like Matatini, we did a wharenui for the Air Force. What else? Replicated the Amos of Mātātua 1. Was it? Mātātua 2 or whatever. The one in Whakatane anyway. Get confused how many Mātātuas there are. The only one that matters is the one at home. Over the weekend as well, chat, was watching a bit of Haka, one of the last regional competitions in the country. It's good to see my niece and nephews go hard. Little guns, man, this younger generation. What's been built here? A pair of pit vipers. You do Morocco? Nah, not anymore. Just you lost interest in it. This is where my heart is when it comes to our culture. Yeah, bro, gotta look out for. Get after my got a Hawaiian flag, we be more than allies, sisters. Yeah. Appreciate that, brother. Yo, what's up to 3CO? I need to ask YouTube streamers what I'm meant to do next, you know, with a lot of people watching now. I need to figure that out. I need me a bit of a Hawaiian playlist too. Quite hard jumping in the air, being told what to do, eh? Oh, that's... He didn't really... he lost interest in it, brother. Like, I wasn't Te Mātāroi. It kind of stopped when Te Mātāroi was finished. That's where my interest in Morocco finished. Sure, bro. How goes it? You dive the superior pit vipers. Bro, love the Instagram too, my bro. Bro, you look professional AF too. Gangsta. But so basically dive mask. It's not what I needed. It's been fun. I got to do lots of neat stuff so far in the middle. Hazmat though. Wait, so you're diving in dirty water too? Then on to underwater world. Oh, bro. Holy. Scary? I'm not gonna lie. Oh, you must hear all kinds of crazy sounds under the water, my bro. My cousin goes, I think you got fear of the deep. No, I just got fear of getting my ass chewed off by a shark. E ka kite no ren, kia pai tō rā, eh? That's all I got. My man is fallout diving. God damn. That's a geeky chain right there. It is a goddamn giga chat right there, sure.
Cops had to retreat, bro. Boom. Mario. Yo,
Shut my boy, Randy.
what the
I
fuck?
do your baby toy like candy. So you bring this to me, might come handy. Oh no, Robbie driving me madly.
Nah, Mario, man. Bro, just let me.
That's why I hate the King of the North.
Get some help, you know what I'm saying?
Speaking of King of the North, Dragon programs back soon, eh? I need to watch the first one. Fucking interceptor, Mr. K's got a tank. Mario as well, let's go. President P, I'm Barack Obama. Bitch. You know. Come on. You fall with autumn, touch that chain, you'll be right by the morning, holding it down, shook the whole clique on it. He whipping and pushing when no one's around. When you hear that sound, you better get down, that's Bobby Crack Brown. This thing's got the business shit, go get it in the whip. Wu-Tang crazy, shit. Do you think, baby, talk your shit? You get on that rooftop, letting it rain. 10 CG all over a strain. R.I.P. Bowen for getting that name. Alright. You know. The label's ours. CG buying up buildings and towers. Hi. I dive in shit and chemicals. Oh, bro, they must be thick to dive through, eh? Got everybody doing that prime do. Switchblade on me like dipping in gold. Hold on, chat. You literally can't see it. Bah, do you get the claustrophobes, bro? Damn. You'd be like next to your matey, just grab some shit in. I'm throwing shit at you. Motherfucker, you're in it. That's hardcore, bro. I give it up to you, brother. You are the man. Why you saw and showed in that video I made on this screen, we often have to go down and almost yo. These have like a code word for like shit breach. I need tape for my glasses. Oh. I just can't feel myself being surrounded by shit. Reminds me of that Shannon Sharp meme when he's about to go in. He's like, "Whoa, yeah!" No, we literally would just say that every comment, shit breach. It's a whole lot of trust to put in some bloody stuff, my bro. I commend you for that. That's hardcore, bro. You are the man. Yeah, so those that missed it, this is what we've been doing. So we just finished the face on this Hoya today, this pedal. And we'll move on to the... We'll clean up a little bit more on this one tomorrow. I've got to figure out when my kids are going to go to the Indians, or if they do. So yeah, we'll clean this up tomorrow if I do go live, and then we'll drop the tongue too. Chair from down under, too long way twisted ape. Chair, too much. How's it over there? Hold up. Man, a lot of people playing WoW today. Yeah, so tonight I'm either gonna play RP or the new WoW Pandaria remix thing. No, we just as far as being a 60 online citizen, you are the 60 man right here, mate. Or you. I can play this tennis game all day. Really? Alright, there's a lot of people on today. Alright guys, that is gonna be me for today. I'm gonna finish up. Thank you very much for joining the stream from YouTube and from TikTok, from Twitch as well. Hey, cut it, see lagging already. Thank you very much for hitting our sub goal for today. 30 in one stream. That's crazy. B-Tree and Anonymous and everyone else, they dropped the T1 or Prime here. Much appreciated. Yo, Thunder might oh, is he on? Yeah, I'll read him. Yo, Thunder might be a whole ha later too, and I'll hit you up. Raid. Fatality Falcon. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. We're gonna raid the brother Luke's mate, a fellow Captain Falcon player. I hate Captain Falcon players, man. They always fuck me up on the air, Jay. But I love Luke. He's the man. Alright, you have a good day. Much appreciated, and I'll see you around. Peace. Bye, YouTube. Love you too. And you have a good day as well.